severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern DeKalb County in north central Georgia, southern Cobb County in north central Georgia, eastern Douglas County in north central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north central Georgia, northwestern Clayton County in north central Georgia until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:39 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Winston to Chapel Hill to Campbellton to near Palmetto to near Colongate, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Douglasville, City of South Fulton, Florida, East Point, Union City, Forest Park, Riverdale, College Park, Powder Springs, Fairburn, Austell, Morrow, Peakville, Palmetto, Lake City, Lithia Springs, Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, Midtown and Grand Park of Atlanta. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for North Central, Northwestern, and West Central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Tornado Watch number 8 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Georgia: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern DeKalb County in central Georgia, southern Cobb County in north central Georgia, eastern Douglas County in north central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north central Georgia, northwestern Clayton County in north central Georgia until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:39 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Winston to Chapel Hill to Campbellton to near Palmetto to near Colongate, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Douglasville, City of South Fulton, Smyrna, East Point, Union City, Forest Park, Riverdale, College Park, Powder Springs, Fairburn, Austell, Morrow, Peakville, Palmetto, Lake City, Lithia Springs, Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, Midtown and Grand Park of Atlanta. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for North Central, Northwestern, and West Central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.